What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the Telegram app on your Windows PC or laptop. Telegram is a popular messaging app and setting it up on your computer is quick and easy. First, open up your web browser and search for Telegram. On the search results, look for the official Telegram website telegram.org and click on it. Once you're on the homepage, head to the Apps section at the top of the page. Here, you'll see different options for Telegram on various platforms. Look for desktop apps and click on Telegram for Windows, Mac or Linux. On the next page, click the Get Telegram for Windows button. This will start downloading the setup file for Telegram. Wait for the download to complete, and once it's finished, you can close the web browser. Now, open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder to locate the Telegram setup file. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. The setup wizard will open, and the first step is to select your preferred language. Choose English or any other language you prefer, and then click on OK to proceed. Next, choose the installation location. By default, Telegram will install in your Program Files folder. If you don't have a specific reason to change this, leave it as is and click Next. You'll then have the option to choose where the shortcut for Telegram will be placed. Again, leave the default option unless you have specific preferences and click Next. You'll also have the option to create a desktop shortcut for Telegram. If you'd like easy access, check the box for desktop shortcut and click Install. The installation process will just take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see an option to launch Telegram immediately. Leave this box checked and click Finish. Telegram will now open on your computer. To set it up, click Start Messaging. You'll be given two options to sign in. Either enter your phone number and receive a verification code, or scan a QR code with the Telegram app on your phone. For a quicker setup, open Telegram on your mobile device, go to Settings, Devices, and use the Scan QR Code option. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen and you'll be instantly signed in. You can now chat, share files, and stay connected with your contacts directly from your computer. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.